everyone, my name is Rini. Welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about air fryer. Actually my family use air fryer almost every day and I use it in a lot of videos. So I decided to tell you about all the things you need to know before getting one. I will share 3 things that you need to know about the air fryer, and I will also share a simple recipe for each tip. First of all, the air fryer is great for heating frozen food. And it's even better at this than microwave. Most importantly, the secret is that you don't need to defrost the food beforehand. If you're in a rush to have your dinner ready in minutes, I'm pretty sure air fryer will be a good help. This is the spanakopita that I purchased from Costco. I directly took them out from the freezer. 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 8 minutes. That's it. See the colors? This looks very tasty. Now we'll talk about the second tip. The air fryer is great for reheating leftovers, such as pizza, pies, and the spring rolls. Now I will reheat one of my family's Thanksgiving meal leftovers, the pumpkin pie. 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And only 5 minutes. The air fryer will get it very crispy, just like it's freshly baked. Now for a busy morning, you don't need to take a long time to preheat the oven. Just throw the leftovers into the air fryer. Okay, now we'll talk about the third tip. Did you know that using an air fryer to fry foods are much healthier? It could save you hundreds of calories. For just a serving of 100 grams fries, you could decrease the calories count from 260 to 80. The air fryer is also great for cooking vegetables. Today I will cook some sweet potato fries with 1 sweet potato cut into strips and add just 1 tablespoon of olive oil or any other cooking oil. Okay, 400 degrees Fahrenheit and for about 10 to 12 minutes. And after 12 minutes, the fries are very crispy and it has much less calories than if you use the traditional method to cook them. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time on Rina's Cooking.